Hey, how you guys doing? This is William Myers from Mantis Outdoors, back at you with another video. And in today's video, I got a very cool blade with me today. Chris hooked me up with this blade from DLT. A very cool side knife, I would say, secondary knife, small patch knife, and it is...
All right, let's clarify this. Chris lets you borrow the knife so you could review it. You ain't keeping that thing.
Oh, yeah, well, that's what he always does.
You're
like,
on crack.
Here, review this knife. Here, review that
I
knife.
even got to carry it. Yeah, I'm waiting for my sheath.
Right. Well, Chris hooked me up with this knife for a review, and it is the Psk Edc. And if you know anything about me and this channel, I'm a fan of smaller blades like this. It is one of the reasons why I designed the Sospiece the way that I did. I made the Sospiece a big beast hunk of metal to handle pretty much any task out there, and then designed to be accompanied by a small patch knife just like this. Something to get the fine tasks, the carving tasks in, and literally the last knife that I did from Bark River was a smaller knife just like this as well, a little bit bigger. But these small blades, in my opinion, and that profile is perfect for wood carving, small camp tasks, all that stuff. So let's get this blade on some wood, do our standard tests, maybe a little bit more, see what she can do. You know, like I said, it's no secret that I really like small blades like this. It's because they're absolutely perfect for
Cutting stuff.
Well, carving, making traps. You know, and that's what I'm doing right now, is just making a small L7 trap. We need to start out by getting this nice piece of wood here carved out. And I'm just showing you guys what the knife can do. Busting right through this wood.
With no preparation or getting used to it.
Nice clean cut. Yeah, very nice. And then to simply make the L7 trap, I just do the same thing over again, right in the middle here. Just by rolling it. Just always make sure if you're doing something like this, you don't roll it this way, because then your thumb is going to pop right there. You always roll it the opposite way, so your thumb don't pop out of it. That just gives me pretty decent clean cuts that I can come up here and manage this way. Then I can start with my, nice little piece of wood. That knot there is kind of not good, but all I gotta do is notch these out, and that's the beginning of an L7 trap. Just going to baton these notches in, might as well. I want to try to get past these knots, but I don't think it's gonna be possible, so I'm gonna start out right here. If I kept going, I think I could just bust all the way through that. This knife has got a demon's edge on it. Very nice. And that's exactly what I wanted to do, is to pop that. The reason why is because I want to test if this edge is going to roll, and two, I need this flat edge. Let's clean that up a little bit. You can kind of see how this is going to go. The L7 trap is the same thing on this side, and they just kind of hook together. And I use this primarily for more like fishing based stuff, you know, so if I do catch like a catfish during the night or something like that, it is hooked to a spring snare, lines out in the water, excuse me, lines out in the water, and when the catfish actually swallows the bait and takes it, he's not going to spit the hook back out, because when he pulls, this is going to set the hook for me, and he's going to be sitting there waiting for me when I get back. So let's go ahead and finish this trap out. You know, and little blades like this is absolutely perfect for a task like this. I like this trap as well because you can set it to a very, very hair trigger. And obviously, this isn't the time of year to be catching catfish. I'm just showing you guys the trap and testing the knife out at the same time. Two birds, one stone. So that's how the trap starts, with these two flat notches just like this. And the good thing, another good thing about this trap is that your line attaches here, and I notch these out, which I'm going to in a minute. I'll beaver chew that, and then it goes to a spring snare and looped around to here. This is your trigger, and once this is pulled, everything goes. You don't have sticks flying around in space and then you can't find them ever again to set your trap for the next day or anything like that. Everything is right where it needs to be. Set it up again, go fishing again. That's passive fishing in my opinion. I don't have to sit there and actively fish. You know, I have my fish already there and I'm ready to go again the next day. But again, just a little demo to show you guys two flat notches plus this little L7 trap. You can see why it's called an L7 trap. So, you know, other than that, you know, those notches and that stuff, let's go into some more heavy slicing and cutting with this knife. Because it being a small knife doesn't mean that it's going to do just small tasks. This thing is really taking a lot of wood, making short work out of this.
Well, I mean, it's called the Psk, stands for personal survival knife. You know, it's meant to be the knife that you always have on you.
Yeah. And you know, like I said, something small like this, it's going to be nice for doing pretty much whatever you need. Yeah, this thing is real nice. Finding the grind on this knife is very easy. What is this, Chris? This is a full flat, isn't it? It's not a convex, is it? Although Bark River loves their convex.
Yeah, that's convex.
Yeah, looks like a full flat, but it's got that very slight convex edge to it, which just makes finding that grind very easy and running these ribbons down for fire starting, or you know, whatever you want to use these for. Yeah, this thing is a monster. A little tiny blade like this is a beast. You know, because it's not some big, huge belt knife, you know, this long, and you know, I can't obviously, you know, hack or chop or anything like that with it. But it's small enough and big enough at the same time where I have tons of power and control, and I can get the edge where I want it and where I need it, into tiny cracks and crevices, into notches and things like that. Clean up what I want to clean up and have that control for even big carving tasks at the same time. You know, we've been on this knife for a little while now, and I'm just me testing it out before even on camera. We have not even begun to touch this edge. Edge retention is a dream on this blade, and for the price point of it, yeah, this is going to be pretty much an instant classic in my opinion as far as Bark River blades go. This is a DLT exclusive, so if you go to the link below, you'll see the link for DLT down below. Click that, go ahead and grab you guys one. You definitely will not be sorry that you did. Like I said, in my opinion, this is going to be an instant classic Bark River. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on the Psk Edc knife. There's a lot of letters in there, but this is a very nice knife. I'm going to see if I can't steal it from Chris sometime in the near future. This is pretty much right up my alley as far as small patch knives goes. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, I appreciate it if you could click subscribe down below. Liking this video helps me out a lot. Appreciate all reviews, comments, and support, and hopefully We'll see you out in the woods.
Dress warm.
Dress warm. Yeah, it's getting cold, boys.